Let's simplify this quickly. Root of 12 over 9 plus root of 108 is equal to root of 12 can be written as root of 4 times root of 3, okay, over 9 plus root of 108 can be written as root of 36 times root of 3, okay. So this becomes equal to 2 root 3 over 9 plus 6 root 3. Rationalizing this denominator, we have this to be equal to 2 root 3. Okay, let us bring it out, and then let's say that this is equal to y. So we have square root of y finally, but let's solve for y first. Okay, now we now have 2 root 3 times the denominator, which is 9 minus now 6 root 3 over 9 plus 6 root 3 multiplied by 9 minus 6 root 3. Y becomes equal to 2 root 3 times 9 is 18 root 3 minus 2 times 6 is 12. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 12 times root 3 is 12 times 3 is 36 divided by 9 squared minus 6 root 3 all squares. This is some difference of 2 squares, alright? Now this becomes equal to factoring out 9. So we have 9 into 2 root 3 minus 4 all over 9 squared is 81 minus this root 3 squared is 108. Okay, so moving on, we have 9 into 2 root 3 minus 4 divided by 9 into 9 minus 12. 9 strikes 9, so we have 2 root 3 minus 4 all over negative 3 to be equal to y. But recall we are required to find square root of y. Square root of y now becomes equal to square root of 2 root 3 minus 4 over square root of negative 3. This becomes equal to square root of 2 root 3 minus 4 over square root of negative 3 times root of negative 3. I'll multiply the numerator by root of negative 3 as well. So that this becomes equal to all in square root of negative 3 times 2 root 3 minus 4 all over root of negative 3 times root of negative 3 is negative 3. Okay, this becomes equal to root of negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So we have negative 6 root 3 plus 12. Okay, all over negative